When the weather heats up, you may prefer to prepare quick and easy meals so that you can spend more time enjoying the longer days. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Asian chicken lettuce cups. This refreshing dish is filled with vegetables and is a great way to use up leftover chicken. Invite your kids to help prepare this dish. This recipe is from the cookbook Kids Get Cookin'. You can find a copy of this cookbook on the California Champions for Change website. To make this dish, you will need 1 cup of chopped cooked chicken breast, 1/4 cup of thinly sliced green onion, 1/2 cup of finely chopped water chestnuts. You can usually find this in the Asian section of your supermarket. If you can't find it, you can substitute with 1/4 cup of chopped celery instead. 1/2 cup of frozen peas and carrots mix, dal, 2 tablespoons of light Asian or sesame dressing, and 8 iceberg lettuce cups. Before I get started on the filling, I'm going to show you how to prepare the lettuce cups. First, select a head of iceberg lettuce that is big, heavy, and free of pink discoloration. Peel and discard the wilted outer leaves. Use a knife and cut a thin section of the core. Place the head in a large bowl with the core facing down. Fill the bowl with water. Let it sit for 20 minutes. While you are waiting, this is a good time to prepare your chicken filling. After about 20 minutes, remove the lettuce head from the bowl and cut out the core. Carefully separate the leaves and set them in a colander to drain. Pat dry with paper towels. Using clean kitchen scissors, trim larger lettuce leaves into cups about 7 to 8 inches in diameter. Be sure to save the trimmings for your salad later. To prepare the chicken filling, in a medium bowl, mix the chicken, green onions, water chestnuts, peas and carrots, and dressing. Stir well. Microwave the mixture for 1 minute to warm. Scoop 1/4 cup of the mixture onto each lettuce cup. Serve immediately. To complete this meal, I'm going to serve my Asian chicken lettuce cups with mandarin oranges and a glass of 1% low-fat milk. Asian chicken lettuce cups. They're easy, they're healthy, and most of all, they're delicious.